You guys could just see my hand movement. Okay, so we're gonna start with the 4 fingers and we're gonna go here. And the eye socket right here, you're gonna press a little bit and you're gonna glide it out from under the brow. Behind the ear. And actually, if you have a headache, this feels so good if you press the pressure right here. And in a minute I will be teaching you guys with the Tatcha Akaris. So once we're done with this part, we press a little bit over here and we come out. Continue by warming up the fingers using these 3 fingers over here, these 2 fingers actually, and you're gonna just apply a tiny little bit of pressure, very light, and your fingers should be nice and warm when you do this. So automatically, if you're feeling a little puffy, this is gonna really help. But just don't do hard, do very nice and gentle, and then you can also slide a little bit out. Use your necklace and you're gonna come from under the cheek to the back of the ear. Behind the ear. From here we're gonna open our fingers like this, and you're gonna go from under the chin. From here, we're gonna warm up the knuckles and we're gonna come back down to the neck, behind the ears. And you're going to feel the lymph nodes. You're gonna feel a little bit of pressure there, but it's gonna feel really good. And then you walk it down to this part of your lymph nodes, and you press a little bit, and it's gonna feel really nice and almost sore, but it feels really good. So that is one type of massage. Now if you want to do like a little lifting, you want to go up this way and out. And kind of the same technique, but here you're going a little bit harder, just a little bit more pressure, these fingers, you want to come and bring your face out under the cheeks, back out, and then here we go back to the eye, very gentle, and here to the back of the ear, back to the forehead, bring it out, and then this time you're walking your fingers to the back of the head, and it feels so good. So you start here, light pressure, and you go to the back. You can also follow along. You can also grab your ears and pull them out, squeeze. And if you want to use the Tatcha Akari, you start here and you go to the back. Do about 6 times. And same from the eyebrow down to behind the ear. This is the Japanese way of doing lymphatic drainage massage from the corner of your mouth to the back of the ear. This actually feels really good. I'm sure you guys are seeing me do both. I always massage my hands as well. Anyway, that is how I do the facial massage. Make sure you take most of the oil out. I love to keep it on, but sometimes if you feel like it's too much oil, you can take it off with the sponge or the washcloth and apply your favorite skin routine for the night. But if you're going out, use this technique. It really works. Thank you for watching. I'm very grateful to be able to do this from home. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you, Vicky.